So these were a birthday present for myself.
Oh.
And these are supposed to be plant-based nail polish from this company, Saviland. Saviland?
Yeah.
Yeah, plant-based.
Okay.
It says 7 days, plus, long-lasting.
Right.
Okay, rich in castor oil, vitamin E, blah, blah, blah. Whenever I put them, this one is supposed to be glow in the dark. Okay. And this one's supposed to be metallic. The metallic one came with a broken one in there, but I'm not returning it. You can see it was right there.
Oh, that's a nice
I'm
color,
not going to
too.
return it because, it was only one nail polish. So anyways, these were supposed to be glow in the dark. They weren't very glow in the dark. Unless I hit them with my little UV flashlight for a minute, and then they were glow. They weren't very glowy. These are supposed to be metal, and this is that on my
These are the metal ones.
Yeah, it doesn't look as metal as what it showed in the Amazon ad picture. It looked much more metallic in the actual ad.
Did you?
But
maybe they had a top coat on it.
No, this is a top coat on it too. The Amazon ad. Here's the Amazon ad for it. You can see it looks real metal.
Yeah.
But
put your finger up next to it.
It's not real metal.
Yeah.
It's a little bit metal.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. It's definitely different. Anyways, we're gonna see these ones that I put. They only lasted like 1 day, 1 or 2 days before they started chipping up.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's good to know.
And I literally peeled them right off my fingernails.
So they're like 1 day, 2 day. That's
1 to 2 days. Okay. And we're gonna test these ones that are on my nails now to see how long they last.
Okay.
Because I don't want to put stickers or anything on my nails because I have to take them. If they comes off in a day, I'm not going to do that. Yeah. So.
Great. Thanks.
Yeah.